Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. This is the PureFlow cabin air filter that I got. I will say a couple of weeks ago I actually bought one of these off of Amazon to install in my F-150. Alright, this filter has 4 stages of filtration. Stage 1 captures and eliminates particulate matter of dust and pollen. It's electrostatically charged to attract and lock fine particles of dust. Second and third stage activate charcoal that traps mold and harmful gases, combined with baking soda. It is able to absorb bad smells resulting from mold and smoke. And then you have the fourth stage, the antibacterial microtechnology, which basically uses silver and copper ions to reduce biofouling by suppressing the growth of algae, mold, mildew, fungi, and bacteria on the filter. Now, I have been really impressed with this filter just in my time using it in the F-150. So I mentioned this in a previous video, but there is a major stretch of road within Minnesota. And on that stretch of road, there is this fast food restaurant alongside that freeway. When you're driving by it, you can smell fresh buns being cooked, right? And, the previous filter that I'd used, driving by there, it always picks up that fresh bun smell. Now, I don't mind the smell, but every time I drive by there with the other filters I've been using, that smell gets inside the truck. Now, after I installed this and I drove past there, I did not smell it anymore. I had to roll down the window to pick up the smell, but this filter does an excellent job of making sure that that smell doesn't get inside the truck. Now, I'm not out here trying to get rid of the bun smell from getting inside the truck, but I think it's a testament to its ability to get rid of the smells that might otherwise get inside your vehicle. So in this video, we'll unbox this cabin air filter and then take a closer look at what it has to offer. And then we got our instruction. Knowing Premium Guard, I'm not surprised that they went above and beyond what others typically do and include something like this. And there it is. The pleating is evenly spaced. The glue work between the pleating and the ends are nicely applied. And let's take a closer look at this guy. You guys, this is a pretty well built filter. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, it has the right level of flexibility to it to make the installation process easy, but it also feels pretty rigid. Alrighty folks, well let me know in the comments if you use this filter. I mean, personally, the reason why I use something with this level of filtration is because my throat gets super irritated when I am driving near trucks that emit a lot of diesel smells. And ever since I started using this, it's really helped a lot with that reaction. Given how well it filters and the price point, I think I'm going to be using this filter indefinitely. But let me know in the comments what your thoughts are.